Heading out for a short walk this morning at our house. Trying to get a little bit of exercise as prescribed by the doctor. Jai's got to do all the gate opening. It's too heavy for me still. Imagine that. So today I am wearing Maui Howie's t-shirt. A friend of mine YouTube channel. Anybody who's not already connected with Lance, Maui Howie's channel, please do. He's located here in the Hua Hin area in Thailand. Of course, he does travel videos. I'm feeling so much better every day. My neck feels more like heavy pressure and spasms than it does pain now. I'm third day now without taking any pain medication. And yesterday I actually went out for a little drive. It's not very far. I didn't drive far. It's a couple blocks into where the shopping center is. I bought some pizza. Treated myself. So we're walking down the little soi at our house, going out towards the main road. You can't imagine that my gimbal and phone is heavy on my arm. It's heavy on my neck. It's not much weight, but it's more than I've been lifting for a while. So the key thing is I'm getting mobility back in my neck, better than it was before surgery. So that's a good sign. Success. Sawasdee krap. Okay, this is going out towards the main road. I'll video outward. This road here goes to, what's the name of the road again? I forgot already. Jai, the name of the main road. Lakmung.
No, that road is Lakmung Road.
That's what I'm talking about. That's
No,
the main
that-
road.
What is
Yeah,
not this road?
I said the main road out there.
Yeah.
Lakmung Road. Okay, a little short, brief argument about location, but it's Lakmung Road that goes to Bangkok if you go left. And it also goes out to Andy and Kwan's house if you go left. And also goes to the Purple Dragon restaurant that we had our YouTube meetup a couple months ago. Then across on this side over here, actually, right here, they have a number of places where we've been eating. Got really good food. I like it right there. And I trust it. I've eaten there for 4 months and it hasn't made me remotely sick. I mean, nothing at all. Then across on this side over here, I'm a little bit afraid of it because it's more traditional. And right over the little green knoll there is a canal. Another place where you can get soup right here. We've eaten here as well. And if we go straight down this way, here in the pretty near future, we're going to start walking to the fresh market where we can buy our goodies. But this is how tiny the little soy is that goes to our house. It's almost like an alley. But the good thing about it is very private, quiet. Only people come back here that live here. This is my sister-in-law's house, one of her houses. So everybody that's on this block here is family. Well, everybody on the left. I don't think that's the case on the right. Everybody to the left of our house, which is right there. For all y'all that don't already know it, haven't seen it before, this is the one that we've been doing the remodel on. And since I got sick, had my little issue with my neck, we haven't done anything. We've got intentions here in the very near future to paint the entire fence around and widen the front gate coming into the house and change it. We're going to do a stainless steel gate like we have in the back. But when we started, the house wasn't much better than the wall here. It was let go that long, nothing taken care of. So everything made big changes to it, made drastic changes. So all the concrete work, as you can see inside there now, has been taken care of. Now we've got the huge mango tree. We got to trim back some because it is just way out of hand. Taller than, well, as tall as the house. Same with the mango tree on the opposite side over there. I can see a lot of mangoes on it, but something needs to be done. Everything is overgrowing onto the house here. And down along the fence line. We got to really widen this out so it doesn't have crap growing back over like it did. The stuff was actually growing into the house when we came back. It had been empty for quite a while. Well, I'd like to thank you for taking a walk with us. A little update on me and what's going on with the house. I am improving. Things are getting better. We travel back to Bangkok on the 26th. I have my doctor's appointment on the 28th to see what he's thinking, how I'm doing, which I know he's going to say I'm doing well. But I can guarantee you I'm not ready to fly yet. I don't know how long that's going to take me, but I can't sit up real long. And this is, I think, the longest the longest walk I've done so far. So I'd like to thank everybody who's been supporting us and thank everybody for their well wishes and prayers. This is Bobby and Jive. Time to get going. We're out.